Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPhone 15 Pro Max to an Android device. First of all, go into App Store on iPhone and Play Store on an Android. Then install free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to set it up. I will start with iPhone. Click on Allow Full Access in Photo Library pop-up, and then choose whatever you want to in all the other ones. In my case, Ask App Not to Track in Activity 1, and Don't Allow in Notifications 1. When you finish, go to an Android and select I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then choose Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now, in this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top of your Android and choose Send at the bottom left corner of iPhone. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also, on an Android, you need to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience by choosing one of those options. Then click on Close this window and go back to iPhone. Now you can finally use all of those categories available at the top to select all files that you wish to send, like photos, videos, files, and even contacts. But after clicking on contacts though, you need to choose OK in this pop-up to allow access to them. Then select them, and when you finish choosing your files, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, finally, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!